Hi guys, this is Pratyush, and today I'll show you how I went from broke college engineering student in 2013 to making seven figures, not just one time, multiple times. In fact, I even made 2 crores in 5 months. But this training is for you. I call it from income roller coaster to automated cash flow, the AI powered affiliate system, and you can be the next. Guys, you are a talented professional, a developer, a designer, ambitious freelancer, or expat, hustling across different time zones, but every month feels like a gamble. Projects dries up, contracts ends, and your bank account echoes with stress. Industry blog says it's normal. But tell me, does normal feel good when the rent's due? Hmm? I've been there. I was done living like that. Hi, I am Pratish Pratik. A few years ago, while I was stuck on income roller coaster, tech gigs one at a time, one projects coming and that I used to run as an affiliate in silence the next. And every slowdown brought panic until one sleepless night I had a breakthrough. I discovered affiliate marketing, high ticket affiliate marketing, because guys understand I've been doing this from 2013 till now. But once I discovered high ticket affiliate marketing model, not the old school spammy kind, but a modern high ticket AI powered system that paid me 500 to $2,000 per sale. It flipped the math. Instead of 100 low paying sales, I just need 2 to 3 sales to change everything. And it worked. I built a system, it started selling online while I slept. It scaled, I hired, and then I automated. Now I mentor others to do the same. This is the same system. You will get a done for you high ticket affiliate business with three products, three high converting other people products that you can promote straight away. Along with that, we'll provide you AI chatbot that's going to be closing the sales for you 24 cross 7 without you lifting a finger. The funnels built for you that has been tested for top performers like Amish, Mike Bontempo, Greg Davis, to name a few, and has been tested for 14 years, guys. There is no substitute for experience. Creative tested and rotated weekly for you, and a real team optimizing your campaigns. So this is how it works. Engine number one, AI outreach bot. I call it the lead machine. The smart bot engages your prospect from the ads that you want to be running on Facebook or Instagram. It will answer the question, it will warm up the lead and push them toward your funnel. No awkward funnel, no awkward DM, no cold spam, just an automated AI system. Engine number two, DFY funnel and ads. We install three top converting affiliate offers. Each funnel includes a landing page, email sequence, ad creative, swipe copy, and like I said, the AI chat bot, which is the secret. You just plug in traffic, we handle the rest. Along with this, engine number three, we're going to be providing you the mentorship plus team. We don't leave you hanging. We're going to be providing you live calls weekly, private coaching, group on group, hand on hand support. We will show you how to scale while we run the backend for you. And yes, you will learn while you earn. You'll understand the system, you will watch it convert, and you'll absorb the skill until you're not just making money, but you're becoming a real marketer. Yes, some clients of mine with the real wins. This is Sarah from Bangkok. She got into this program through our ads, and she this is what she is told. I now earn my mortgage every week from just one funnel and one product. Carlos from Mexico says paid off the entire cost of the coaching in 90 days. Now I have savings. Ahmad in Dubai says went from $500 per month to multiple thousand. This is real. Annette from Berlin says, I'm not a techie, but when I check my phone every morning to see the new commissions coming, it feels like a game changer. And to other clients, let's talk about Phil. He joined us and he got his first $1,500 commission. You can check that video. You can also check another video from Kevin from Canada, Ontario, who sold high ticket products, just copying and pasting our funnel into his ad account, and things like work like wonders. And if your ad account is shared, we provide you the ad agency account. So no brainer. So why now? Because this system is dialed now, because AI is exploding, and when because every second you wait is the income missed. We only accept 10 member per cycle to ensure quality, to make sure you succeed. Don't wait. Don't overthink. This isn't magic. It's a machine. And machine works when it's plugged in. You get the mentorship, you'll get the automation, and you'll get the income. Book your free strategy call. Let's build it for you. Spots are limited. Apply now. Be the next. Your future self will thank you. The same system that I used to go from, like I said, broke college student to buying BMW and serving hundreds of customers across last 14 years. I don't service customers in bulk because I want to always keep the quality high. But right now, guys, is the time for you to take action. Right now is a time for you to understand that going from 9 to 5 job will never help you accomplish your big goals. Big goals means big income. Big income means a well-oiled machine that convert click click to lead, and from lead through auto dm, uh, the sales. And like I said, you don't need to have any of your own product. We promote other people's product that pays commissions ranging from 500 to $3,500, and we make 70% commissions on them. So if you are would be interested to make money together, right, and join our community, click to apply now. I'll see you on the call. Thanks.